What is up, guys? Aaron here. Today I'm back for another video. Now today I am going to be microwaving Skittles. So I saw this video where someone microwaved Skittles and then he got the finger and pressed down the Skittle and it like just melted, and I want to see if I can recreate that. So I'm going to put the Skittles in the microwave for 1 minute and see what happens. I've put the Skittles in the microwave, as you see. Let's put them in. And close it. And now I am going to time cook. Oh wait, no, not time cook. Stop. And then 1 minute and see what happens. Right, 4 seconds left. Let's go. If you're wondering, I'm eating Skittles. Okay, I put them in for a bit too long, as you see. It's completely melted. But that does look quite cool. They're hot. That one doesn't seem to have melted, that red one. There. Let's see. That one didn't really do anything. Okay, so I'm on my way to creating it. Just next time I think I'm going to put it in for 45 seconds. Let's see what happens. Actually, instead of 45, I'm going to put it in for 30. So, let's go. Just put the Skittles on. Gonna put them in the microwave. I'm gonna put it in for 30 seconds. Right, wait 30 seconds, let's see what happens. Right, taking them out, now we're gonna see what happens. Oh, it worked! Oh, look, super satisfying. This is sick. Okay, yeah, I can't really, that one's not really working. Let's try this one. Oh, that's so awesome. Okay, this one, I'm gonna see if I can try to break this one. There we go. Dude, it looks pretty cool. I'm trying to make a thumbnail. That ain't look. Right. That's what happens if you microwave Skittles. I'm happy with that. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and put in the comments below what you'd like me to microwave next. Bye!